Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we will see how to write a C program to find to find the reverse of a string. So whatever the string we are given, just it prints the reverse of a string, but without using the string function. So just open the code blocks, file, new file, C source, C language, give the file name here, reverse string. So this save as reverse string dot c. Now write the program. Hash include stdio dot h. So here I am including one more library function, that is include string dot h. Why I am using string dot h? I said I have to write the program without using the string reverse function. Okay, so here I am writing the code for for reverse a string without using the strrev, that is a string reverse function, but I am using here the string length function. With the help of the string length function I am reversing the string. I am not using the reverse string function, but I am using the string length function. Okay, if you don't want to use a string length function, you can go directly for the for loop. With the even the for loop also you can find the length of the string, which I already explained in my video. Otherwise you can use a string length function. With the help of the string length function you can reverse your string. So how it possible, let's see. So for using the string length function you have to include the string dot h library function. So without using the string dot h library function, the string length function will not able to read by the compiler. Void main. So I am taking the two integer variables I comma n. Next I am taking one character, so which I want to reverse the string, so I have to take one string str of, let's take it is a size 20. Now just write the printf. So whatever the string that you want to enter, just enter the string that you want to reverse to get reversed. Okay, that you want reversed. So just read that string whatever you are entering. So or else instead of using this scanf you can go for the gets also. Gets is a function which reads the string. So if you want you can use scanf. Otherwise I already using the I already included the string dot h library function, so for that you can directly go for the get string. So instead of writing that complete scanf %ls and just ampersand str1 str, so instead of that just write the syntax as gets str. So it reads the string from the keyboard. Now n is equal to, I am taking a string length len. So str len is to find the string length. So whatever the string length that you want to find out, just write that name in that bracket. So now the length of the string will be stored in n. Printf I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So sorry, this is printf, here I have to write, sorry, not further loop, sorry. So in the printf try to write the reversed string was. Here write the for loop for I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, okay, I minus minus, printf percentile C, because I have used the string as a character. If you want, you can give the percentile as also str of I. So here no need to write the return because I have used it as a void main. Just check there are no errors and warning. So run the program. It is asking to enter the string that you want to get reversed. Which string you want to enter? Let's take I'm taking string reverse. So just I'm taking the string. So the string reverse string is GNIRTS. So string is reversed GNIRTS. Let me run in the time. So this time I'm taking hello. So the string reversed is OLLEH. So this is how you had to write the program for reverse the string without using the string function. Thank you.